Morning guys, today we're talking Fastenal. So as you know, Motor City Spindle Repair does have a partnership with Fastenal. We're working with them all over the country. And if you're a Fastenal employee, or if you just happen to know Fastenal and you work with some of their on-sites or some of their metalworking specialists across the country, we just wanted to explain the situation to you guys a little bit better. If you reach out to us at Motor City and let us know that you're a CNC machine tool user or that you work for Fastenal and you're looking to hear more information, we're going to explain exactly how the partnership works. But it's real simple. Fastenal has over 1,000 on-site programs across the country, and we're working with quite a few of them. We're just looking to work with more of them. So if you're unsure if we're a good fit, just ask us. Bottom line, if you're running CNC machine tools, if you're running machine tool spindles, we're a perfect match. We'd love to explain to you how we give you guys OEM pricing, how we give end users cost savings, and how we're giving emergency lead times, fully tested, fully certified with a year warranty. So again, if you work for Fastenal, you're interested in learning more, reach directly out to me. Love to hear from you, love to talk to you, love to come out and travel. Not a big fan of being in the office all the time. So things are opening up, and I'd love to travel across the country and see you, or at least get on a phone call and explain more. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks, guys.